If you are looking for a signature scent, let me introduce you to Laundry Sauce. This is considered the world's best smelling luxury laundry detergent. I was gifted it about a week ago and did all of my daughters and my laundry with it when I first got it. And I want to share my whole experience of this amazing laundry detergent. Now, it comes in this gorgeous box, and when you open it up, you will see that it's just in little detergent pods. Really, really nice. Lots of different scents. I got it in the French Saffron, and it is so luxuriant. And the smell isn't just French saffron, it's this very well-rounded smell, which also includes red currant, cinnamon bark, red freesia, and tonka bean. So there is a lot going on with this scent, which makes it really, really lovely. When you wash with it, your entire laundry room is going to smell very strongly of the scent. And when you first pull your clothing out of the dryer, it's going to be very noticeable as well. So if you are washing your clothing on a regular basis and putting it in your closet, your drawers, your cupboards, that smell is going to hold on longer and emanate from those spaces, giving your home a signature smell, especially if you get one of these to do your bedding, your towels, all your linens with. You are really going to make that smell a smell of your home. And then, of course, if you're wearing the clothing you wash with Laundry Sauce, you will have that signature scent as well. Now, I did wash this shirt with it about 5 days ago, and it still has the wonderful, inviting smell. It's very interesting in that it's not like perfume, and that the smell is coming off of you and going into the space. When you walk down a road, people aren't going to smell you. But if they come up, if they give you a hug, they will definitely notice. It really is just in the clothing, which I really, really love because I don't want to put chemicals on my skin, whereas this is in the clothing. So this is where that smell is coming from. It's also all natural, so I can feel really good about that. Now, this is cotton. It's definitely held onto it more, and I have a thick cotton hoodie that is still very, very strongly scented. So the thickness of the cotton has definitely made a difference. I can smell more of the French saffron scent in this than I can in this 5 days later. So depending on what you wash and then how you store it, you're gonna have more subtle to a stronger scent, or it might just fade away completely. Now, of course, it's a fantastic laundry detergent. It even has bioenzymes in it to help fight and remove stains. So this is not just a fantastic smelling detergent, though I do think that's the primary feature. It's also a really good cleaner. I am very impressed with the French saffron smell. I definitely want to try more of their scents. My laundry came out very nice and clean. It works really well as a detergent, but the real magic in this is that incredible smell. My only warning about Laundry Sauce is that my husband does not want his clothing smelling like French saffron. So keep in mind that different family members might not want this smell on their clothing, but past that, it really is amazing. And I think you're going to love it just as much as I do.